What's Beep Extra all about? Well, it's many things, so just when you think you've got it, you need to look again. To explain this, I need your undivided attention, so please get yourself in a place where you can do just that, and I'll start. Okay, so a guy goes into a shop to buy something, anything, meat, bread, cakes, shoes. He can even go into a barber's for a haircut. He pays full price, but the retailer asks him, "Have you got a Beep card?" "What's that?" he says. "You can get 10% off the haircut before you pay." "How much is the card?" he says. Now the retailer says a word I want you to get used to because you're going to hear this word a lot. "It's free," he says. "Just register your name and details here on the point of sale screen, and that's it. You get 10% cash back onto your card from the haircut discount, and you can spend it anywhere, anytime you see the Beep sign around the world." Got it? Just before the retailer gives the guy his Beep card, he notices he has a smartphone and says, "If you like, I can put this cashback discount straight into your account via your phone. We don't need the card if your phone can access the internet." Are we impressed yet? So the guy leaves with his new haircut, and that night he goes out for a meal in a restaurant or a takeaway, or maybe he even goes for a round of golf the next afternoon. Well, let's stick to the story about the guy going for a meal. Before he goes into the restaurant, he asks, "Do you accept Beep cards here?" The answer is either yes or no. If yes, he goes in. If no, well, he could ask the restaurant why, as it's a free service, and he could invite the restaurant to join Beep. Or he could go elsewhere, which will pretty much make sure the restaurant has a good think about joining Beep. Anyway, let's suppose they do accept Beep. So what do you think happens when he pays for the meal? Well, he gets out his shiny new Beep card. He says, "Can you check this? I have some cash available, I believe." So the waiter looks through his Beep system by checking the client's card number, and yes, he has money on it to spend. The money he was awarded in the barber's shop now comes off his meal. Is he impressed? How fast do you think his wife will get the message? How many seconds before his wife has her own card? So the guy and his wife get their cash back everywhere they see the Beep logo. But we've only just started. 3 more things happen. 1, they go online and they see the Beep search sites, local and global. They realise their shopping cashbacks have only just begun. 2, they look at the Beep business opportunity and they realise that for free they can replace their incomes if they choose. The guy only went out for a haircut and he came back staring financial freedom in the face. 3, they think about a friend or relative of theirs who runs a shop or business, and they wonder if they would be interested in becoming a Beep business partner. They realise that when they bring in this business partner to Beep, they will earn perpetual income. In short, they realise, like most of you will do soon, if you haven't already, that Beep Extra is a whole lot of great things. It's available right now, it's global right now in many languages, and it's free.